now we'll see how to create a Google form. First of all, open the Google Chrome and go to Google Forms. Or just we have to go with login ID first. You just type Google Forms and just click this first link and then click go to Google Forms. So you will be asked for email ID and phone number. You type the email ID, then the password, and click next. And, here you can see the Google form for this particular mail ID. It will be open. Okay. So now what we have to do is click this plus button, and this is the layout of the form what we have to work with, and you just create uh, a form title. Okay, let it be 19 inches 201 communicative English. So this is actually internal assessment, sorry, continuous assessment test 1. So our first question must be mention your name. So it should be a short answer. So make this required question, and in description you type only in capitals. Okay, for example, Sekhar or, and please mention initial and last letter. Okay, and you make response validation. It will be a text. Okay, and our second question is mention your register number. Okay, it should be a short answer, and make this as required. So in description we choose university register number. Some students will type in short. You don't encourage those kind of activities. You ask to enter complete register number. Mention complete university register number like 19103001, like that. Okay. On response validation, it should be a number. Okay. Then third one, you mention upload the answer script. Scanned using Adobe PDF. Sorry, Adobe Scan app. So this is the app what we have recommended to scan the answer script, since the people they'll use many kind of third-party apps. So Adobe Scan, it is a free version. It leaves no watermark. Okay, and also it gives a proper scanned image also. Okay, that is why we are going for Adobe Scan. After making this question, you choose the file upload option and click allow specific file types and click this PDF. A number of files, it should be 1. So since it is internal, most probably all the students will able to write around 7 to 8 pages and maximum of 12 pages. So 10 MB of size is required. It is more than enough. If we are going for model exams, you can go for 100 MB. Up to we can go for 100 MB. Okay, so 10 MB is enough for now, and you make it as required. And in description, you mention upload only PDF. Why? Because we have specified it as PDF here. Okay, so PDF of maximum file size 10 MB. scanned only using Adobe Scan app. Okay, so that's it. So these are the questions what we have to ask, and you click this title and click this one, add title and description. Here you mention click the link to download the question paper. Okay, let me tell you how to upload the link here. Okay, so before that, let us complete the modeling of this page. You click this theme and choose some kind of image. So this is this will make your form something sensible. It looks like uh, very much interesting. Make some color. Okay, so that's it. So once you have completed your title here, it will automatically reflected here. Okay, once you type here and click this title, it will be reflected. Okay, so no issues. You can also mention which department, like this civil. Okay, since we are creating forms for each and every department, it is required to mention the department here. Okay, and then settings, you click the settings and click this emails response, and then response receipts for always, and requires to sign in. It is you can limit to one response, since the student can respond for only one form, and he can edit that form. Okay, you make it as one response so that one student can upload only in one mail id. Okay, he cannot use multiple mail ids. Okay, so this will be safe for us also. And you click this progress bar. You don't shuffle the question order. Okay, let it be, and click save. So this is the settings. Okay, and then let me show you how to insert the link here, question paper link. Okay. So first, for that you have to go for Google Drive. You click the first link and click go to Drive. So when you have logged in with your mail ID, it will be shown here. You just ensure your mail ID is correct. After that, you can see uh, in your drive, you can see the form created. Okay, so this is the form what we have created, and this is the supporting folder to upload the access scripts. We can download this folder completely. Okay, so that all the answer scripts will be here only. Okay, we can download this folder. Okay, so now upload your question paper here. Okay, click new, click file upload. You search your question paper. So let it be this the question. Okay, so your question paper will be here. Okay, in this folder, you right click that PDF and click get link. Then in here you have to choose restricted. It will be usually restricted. You click anyone with the link and copy the link. Okay, done. Now paste the link here. Okay, so that's it. So it is over. Now you can view your form. So this is how a form will be created, and a student can view like this. Okay, you click the link to download the question, so it will be automatically download. Okay, as you see here, he can download this question. Okay, so this is very basic how to create a form and how to insert a question. Okay, now I will tell you how to share this form with concerned subject staff so that he can value it. Okay, you click this more option and click add collaborators. Now you please add the mail ID where you have to share this question. Okay, okay, you click send. You click share anyway since we are sharing from our escc.ac.in. Okay, and then go to your drive and share this drive also. You right click this folder and click uh, share and mention the mail ID what you have represented in Google Form. Okay, you have to share both form as well as this folder. Okay, so now it is shared with that concerned staff. Okay, so he can view the files and evaluate. Let us see how it can be done. For that we have to open that mail ID. So by default it will log on with the default mail ID where we have to change here. So let me log in with that mail ID. So in updates, so you can see two kind of mails he will be receiving regarding that question paper, and so this link is for driving the sorry sharing the drive. So this is not required. What we have to do is open the link to view this form. Okay, so open in form, you click this open in form link, and he could able to see, and he could able to see the responses. Okay, so that's it. So it is very easy. He can even uh, evaluate all his papers.